नॉलेज एक्सचेंज गोवा ह्या नावान राज्यांत 2 दिसांच्या परिशदेचें आयोजन केलां. शुक्रारा ह्या परिशदेचें उक्तावण जालें. ह्या सुवाळ्याक राज्यपाल मृदुला सिन्हा, मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार, महसूल मंत्री रोहन खंवटे आनी हेर मानेस्त हजर आशिल्ले. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
I can promise you one thing, because I believe in delivery rather than big talks. And I have earlier, a lot of people may not know that Goa was the first to start a cyber aid scheme. We were the first to have full Goa connected through almost a digital highway, through a fiber optic cable, and all panchayats connected, all schools connected. A lot of first exist in Goa. We were only not very much first in publicity. That is possibly the reason many people don't know. But I can assure you, today also, while I will not like to unnecessarily publicize, because Goa, the basic problem is availability of land. It's a small state. It has a lot of restrictions. It is a state where almost 62% of the land is green, and forest is more than 33%, almost 38% forest. Then there are CRZ, there is riverline land, there are wetlands, there is biodiversity, so many legislation, all of them functions in Goa very effectively, thereby reducing the scope of availability of land.
To create an ecosystem for the people of Goa, wherein we are able to take care of the issues of employment, and we want to make it a state where it is like an adding to the knowledge hub. Just to give you a brief background of it, with Mr. Manohar Parrikar ji coming down from the post of a defense minister, the chief minister of Goa has been the biggest boon today. We have IIT coming down, we have NIT coming down, and it is getting acknowledged as a educational, the state is getting a acknowledgement of a preferred educational hub.
Goa always wants to stand first in every walk of life, and in every technique, in every area. The government always wants to be first. So this is enough. Our Prime Minister is giving stress to connectivity. In governance conference, he told 7 types of connectivities. And I have learned that in this small but very important meeting, you have connected all the ministries. There are so many ministries here to connect, and states also. So I think the concept of, or the vision of the Prime Minister, New India 2021, I hope it will be fulfilled if these types of meetings are held, and the technocrats and the visionary peoples are gathered together.
One of the principal objectives of e-governance is the extensive use of IT within the processes of governance for providing better citizen services, thereby enhancing efficiency, transparency, and accountability of the government departments. E-delivery of G2C services, digital literacy, and fiber connectivity are the main pillars for achieving these objectives. The various policies of Government of India, like Digital India, Smart Cities, NOFN, Skill India, Startup India, are major steps in this direction.